Best AI Tools for Entrepreneurs app. The pros, the cons. Best AI Tools for Entrepreneurs app is designed to help business owners work smarter, not harder. Most people get this wrong by manually handling marketing, customer support, and content creation, but here's the surprising truth. AI Tools can automate nearly every repetitive task, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth. A major pro of this app is its versatility. It covers content creation, social media management, customer engagement, and analytics in one platform. For example, I can draft email campaigns, schedule posts across multiple channels, and even generate ad copy tailored to your audience. Another advantage is data-driven decision-making. AI analyzes customer behavior, sales trends, and market patterns, offering actionable insights that help entrepreneurs make informed decisions quickly. You won't believe how much more confident you become when your choices are backed by real-time data. It also improves efficiency. Tasks that once took hours, like generating financial reports or responding to repetitive customer queries, can now be done automatically. This allows entrepreneurs to scale operations without necessarily increasing headcount. On the downside, some features require a learning curve, and certain AI-generated outputs may need human review to maintain quality. However, these minor challenges are outweighed by the time savings and growth potential. In conclusion, Best AI Tools for Entrepreneurs app empowers business owners to optimize their workflow, improve decision-making, and grow their business efficiently. By integrating automation, analytics, and intelligent content tools, it's a must-have for modern entrepreneurs.